Veganism is booming. What was once considered a niche lifestyle has now become a mainstream movement, embraced by millions around the world. From bustling cities to small towns, the rise of veganism is evident everywhere. It's not just a trend, it's a conscious choice. People are becoming more aware of the impact their food choices have on their health, the environment, and the animals. This awareness is driving a significant shift in consumer behavior. People are choosing a kinder, more sustainable way of life. They're ditching animal products and embracing plant-based alternatives. This shift is not just about what they eat, but about how they live their lives. It's a holistic approach to living that prioritizes compassion and sustainability. This includes meat, dairy, and eggs. The variety of vegan options available today is astounding. From delicious plant-based burgers to creamy dairy-free ice creams, the choices are endless. These alternatives are not only tasty but also nutritious, providing all the essential nutrients needed for a healthy lifestyle. Why? The reasons are many. For some, it's about health. For others, it's about animal welfare or environmental concerns. Each person's journey to veganism is unique, but they all share a common goal: to make a positive impact on the world. Health is a big motivator. Many people turn to veganism to improve their health. Studies have shown that a plant-based diet can reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Vegan athletes often report improved performance and faster recovery times. Vegans often report feeling healthier and more energized. They attribute this to the high intake of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, which are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients help boost the immune system, improve digestion, and increase energy levels. There's also a growing awareness of animal welfare. Many people are choosing veganism to stand against the cruelty and exploitation of animals. They believe that all living beings deserve to be treated with respect and compassion. People are rejecting factory farming practices. The conditions in these facilities are often inhumane, with animals confined to small spaces and subjected to harsh treatments. By choosing veganism, individuals are taking a stand against these practices and advocating for a more humane food system. They find them cruel and inhumane. The emotional impact of witnessing animal cruelty can be profound, leading many to reevaluate their dietary choices. Petitions, protests, and advocacy work are all part of the effort to bring about change. Environmental concerns are another driving force. The impact of animal agriculture on the planet is significant. It contributes to deforestation, water pollution, and greenhouse gas emissions. By adopting a vegan lifestyle, individuals can help reduce their environmental footprint. Animal agriculture is a major contributor to climate change. The methane produced by livestock is a potent greenhouse gas, and the resources required to raise animals for food are immense. Reducing or eliminating animal products from our diets can have a substantial impact on reducing global warming. Veganism offers a way to reduce our environmental footprint. It's not just about food, it's about making sustainable choices in all aspects of life. From zero-waste kitchens to renewable energy sources, the vegan lifestyle promotes a more sustainable and eco-friendly way of living. It's about making choices that align with our values. For many, veganism is a reflection of their commitment to living ethically and sustainably. It's about being mindful of the impact of our actions and making choices that are in harmony with our beliefs. Choices that benefit ourselves, animals, and the planet. By choosing veganism, individuals are contributing to a healthier, more compassionate, and sustainable world. It's a lifestyle that promotes well-being for all living beings and the environment we all share. A vegan diet is packed with nutrients. It's a vibrant and colorful way to nourish your body, offering a wide array of health benefits that can transform your well-being. By focusing on plant-based foods, you can enjoy meals that are not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. Fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains are staples of a vegan diet. These foods are the building blocks of a healthy lifestyle, providing essential nutrients that support overall health. When you fill your plate with these wholesome ingredients, you're giving your body the fuel it needs to thrive. These foods are naturally low in saturated fat and cholesterol, making them heart-healthy choices. By reducing your intake of these harmful substances, you can lower your risk of developing heart disease and other cardiovascular issues. Plant-based foods are also free from the hormones and antibiotics often found in animal products. They're high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Fiber is crucial for maintaining a healthy digestive system, while vitamins and minerals are essential for various bodily functions. For example, vitamin C found in fruits like oranges and strawberries boosts your immune system, while leafy greens provide iron, which is vital for oxygen transport in the blood. This dietary shift can lead to a lower risk of chronic diseases. Studies have shown that a plant-based diet can help prevent and manage conditions such as hypertension, obesity, and metabolic syndrome. By choosing a vegan lifestyle, you're taking a proactive step towards long-term health and wellness. These include heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. The antioxidants found in fruits and vegetables help protect your cells from damage, reducing the risk of cancer. Additionally, the healthy fats in nuts and seeds can improve blood sugar control, making it easier to manage diabetes. Many vegans report feeling more energized. This increased energy can be attributed to the high nutrient density of plant-based foods. When you consume a variety of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, you're providing your body with the vitamins and minerals it needs to produce energy efficiently. This is due to the abundance of vitamins and minerals in plant-based foods. For instance, B vitamins found in whole grains and legumes play a crucial role in energy metabolism. Magnesium, found in leafy greens and nuts, helps with muscle function and energy production. These nutrients are essential for energy production. By incorporating a variety of plant-based foods into your diet, you can ensure that your body has the resources it needs to stay active and alert throughout the day. This can lead to improved physical performance and mental clarity. A vegan diet can also improve digestion. The high fiber content of plant-based foods helps to keep your digestive system running smoothly. Fiber adds bulk to your stool, making it easier to pass and reducing the risk of constipation. This is because plant-based foods are naturally high in fiber. In addition to promoting regular bowel movements, fiber also acts as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in your gut. A healthy gut microbiome is linked to better digestion, improved immune function, and even enhanced mood. Fiber promotes healthy digestion and regular bowel movements. By making plant-based foods a central part of your diet, you can enjoy the numerous benefits of a well-functioning digestive system. This can lead to a greater sense of well-being and overall health. One common misconception is that vegans don't get enough protein. Many people believe that without meat, it's impossible to meet the body's protein requirements. This idea stems from the traditional view that animal products are the primary source of protein. However, this couldn't be further from the truth. This is simply not true. In fact, there are numerous plant-based protein sources that are not only sufficient, but also incredibly nutritious. Plant-based protein sources are abundant. Foods like beans, lentils, tofu, tempeh, and seitan are packed with protein. These foods are versatile and can be incorporated into a variety of dishes, making it easy to meet your protein needs on a vegan diet. Lentils, beans, tofu, tempeh, and seitan are just a few examples. Each of these foods offers a unique texture and flavor, allowing for a diverse and satisfying diet. Lentils, for instance, are not only high in protein, but also rich in fiber and essential nutrients. Tofu and tempeh, made from soybeans, are excellent sources of protein and can be used in a variety of culinary applications, from stir-fries to barbecues. These foods provide all the essential amino acids our bodies need. Amino acids are the building blocks of protein, and it's a common myth that plant-based diets lack certain essential amino acids. However, by eating a variety of plant-based proteins, vegans can easily obtain all the essential amino acids necessary for good health. Another myth is that vegan food is boring and bland. Many people assume that without meat and dairy, meals must be tasteless and monotonous. This couldn't be further from the truth. Vegan cuisine is incredibly diverse and flavorful. With the right ingredients and cooking techniques, vegan dishes can be just as exciting and delicious as any other type of cuisine. Vegan cuisine is incredibly diverse and flavorful. From fresh vegetables and fruits to a wide array of spices and herbs, the possibilities are endless. Vegan chefs around the world are constantly innovating, creating dishes that are not only healthy, but also bursting with flavor. From spicy curries to hearty stews, the possibilities are endless. Vegan dishes can be as simple or as complex as you like, and they can cater to a wide range of tastes and preferences. Whether you enjoy a spicy kick or a comforting hearty meal, there's a vegan dish out there for you. There's a world of culinary adventures to be had on a vegan diet. Exploring vegan cuisine can be an exciting journey, full of new flavors and experiences. From cooking classes to farmers markets, there are countless opportunities to discover and enjoy the rich diversity of vegan food. So don't let stereotypes hold you back. Embrace the vegan lifestyle and enjoy all the delicious and nutritious foods it has to offer. Finding your tribe, the social side of veganism. Going vegan can be a very social experience. It's a chance to connect with like-minded individuals. Vegan festivals, potlucks, and meetups are great ways to meet new people. These events offer a sense of community and support. Sharing vegan meals with friends and family can be a rewarding experience. It's an opportunity to introduce them to new flavors and cuisines. It can also spark conversations about animal welfare, the environment, and health. A clear mind, a healthy body. Veganism's impact on well-being. Many vegans report experiencing mental health benefits. Studies have shown that plant-based diets can improve mood and reduce stress levels. This may be due to the abundance of antioxidants and other beneficial compounds found in plant foods. The positive impact of veganism on physical health is well documented. Lower cholesterol levels, improved blood sugar control, and reduced risk of chronic diseases are just a few examples. These physical improvements can contribute to a greater sense of well-being. The Vegan Glow Up Scientific Evidence for Radiant Skin. A vegan diet can do wonders for your skin. Fruits and vegetables are packed with antioxidants. These antioxidants protect our skin from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage our cells. Studies have shown that a vegan diet can improve skin elasticity and reduce wrinkles. This is because plant-based foods are rich in vitamins and minerals that support collagen production. Collagen is a protein that gives our skin its structure and elasticity. Living your values, veganism, and enhanced self-esteem. Choosing veganism often stems from a desire to live in alignment with one's values. It's about making choices that reduce harm to animals, the planet, and ourselves. This sense of purpose can lead to increased self-esteem and confidence. Knowing that you're making a positive difference in the world can be empowering. It can also inspire others to make changes in their own lives. Veganism is about more than just food. It's about living a life of compassion and sustainability.